Hi everybody, a big welcome to you if you're a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're an existing subscriber, fantastic, great to have you back. My name's Howard, and around me is the main hub, the studio, avtransfers.co.uk, where we do media digitizing, from film to tape to video to audio, the whole kit and caboodle, as they say. Now, this was an interesting thing, a company I'd never heard of before until I looked into them. They seem to have been around for quite a while, and certainly was news to me, maybe not news to you. The company is called Wyrestorm. Get a close look at that. Wyrestorm. And this was a very, very inexpensive toy. When I say inexpensive, I mean like £30 worth of inexpensive, which is not bad. What is it, Howard? What is this thing? It is a TTSIGNAL pattern generator. I'm always nostalgic about things like TV patterns, test patterns, but curious to see what new ones have come out. And although you can generate them from your computer, I think this is quite interesting. A standalone pattern generator. And for 30 quid, well, hey ho, you know, can't beat that kind of value. So stick around and we'll take a look at what it's all about. Yeah, Memphis, Tennessee. So definitely American product, and that's exciting. That's exciting. I like American stuff. So let's see, what does it come with? A disc, driver disc. Okay, so this device can connect into your computer as well, and that's something I'm hoping to explore in this video. Power plug, I guess specifically to your region, but I would imagine this is a multi-voltage. Yeah, multi-voltage supply. Pretty cool. And what else? Another, okay, that's the Euro connector. Won't need that. And this is heavy. This is heavy. Wow, this ain't heavy. This is my pattern generator. Please ensure product is switched off when connecting or disconnecting cables. Doesn't sound very encouraging. It shouldn't be that sensitive, surely. Anyway, I digress. So, here it is. Ooh, it has a light, power, function, timing, pattern, color space, HDMI, DVI, audio resolution, audio sampling, high definition, copy protection, and it has a little screen there. I guess that's just going to be numbers. Take a look at that. Kind of cool, nice quality. Look at this. So it's got different patterns, and you can run it on VESA or HDTV resolutions. Okay. Color space, auto, RGB, YUV444, YUV422, HDMI or DVI signal. Okay. HDCP encryption, we don't need that. Deep color, ooh, deep color up to 36-bit. Audio sampling rate up to 48 kilohertz. Audio bit depth up to 24. And then it shows you here all the different resolutions. Now, because I'm probably going to use this in an analog capacity, I might just put an HDMI to composite video converter and use one of the very basic resolutions. But for the purpose of this test, we're going to hook it up to an HDMI screen. Can you believe that? Back. RS-232 controller, I guess. Anti-dust cover, only the best. And a USB interface and your 12 volts. I'm guessing the USB may allow you to upload your own patterns. I'm really hoping it does, but perhaps I'm being naive. Nice quality though. It's it's built well. So let's get it on the rack. Okay, so we got it over here. Doesn't seem like there's a hell of a lot to do here other than to plug in an HDMI connection. Got quite an old monitor here. An Hdmi, what do they call it? Hdmi, how do you pronounce that? Hdmi, I always say Hdmi. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So there it is. It's plugged in. And I'm going to pop it over there, and we'll be able to take a look at it at the same time as the screen. Let me just get the power. Let's see, what does this draw? 2 amps. Seriously, a good buy. If it does do what it's supposed to, I'm quite excited to see what this does. To there. And straight away it comes up, says pattern number 12. Okay, let's start on the easy stuff. Let's go down to pattern 12. It's HD. Okay, so that should really be working, right? LED function. HDCP HD, yeah. 12. Ah, okay. So this monitor is showing me it can only do 24-bit color. Okay, fine. All right, now we're cooking with cheese. Look at that. All right, so that's a really nice set of color bars, right? And timing. 4. What is 4? Timing. 3. What does 3 do? Seems to also produce a picture. Those are VESA timings, I think. Different monitors, I suppose, would have different timings. I'm not too au fait with all the different HDMI modes. But here we go. Okay. 3. Ooh. 4. Pure red. Is that when you have to degauss your LCD screen? Green. Oh. Blue. Yellow. Cyan. Magenta. Grayscale of some kind. Guess that's resolution. That's number 10. Let's go a bit closer onto the screen itself, and you can kind of get a better idea of what it's doing. Okay, that should be better now. You should be able to see that's the crosshatch. Okay. There's probably a name for that. Don't ask me what it is. Oh yes, that's useful. These are all great patterns. I think if you wanted a good pattern generator and even want to convert this to composite video with a normal HDMI to composite converter, you could actually get quite a decent pattern generator for very little. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like that. Ooh. So I guess you can see if there's any faults on the panel, or as it goes across, if it stays linear. Oh, frequency response. Obviously that'll be a much tighter response than that. 23, 24. Ooh, I've never seen one like that before. That's very funky monkey. That'd be a great backdrop for a movie or something, right? Okay. Oh, 28 is just white. No, it's just a blank. It's alternating blank and white. Huh. Wait. Very nice. Very nice. Don't know what you'd even call that. And back to 1. Okay. So 32 patterns. I was hoping for sort of a traditional Phillips test pattern, but perhaps I'm being a bit naive. I'm going to have to explore the software and just see if the software supports that. But really, very interesting pattern generator. A very interesting piece of kit. Let's just have a look here again at that. I'm just going to go dig out the USB drive and see what we can get on the computer. Okay, well, it seems to me that this is just a instruction manual disk full of various PDF files. If I look in Windows, I don't see anything that is helpful in describing what the machine can do. And perhaps there is a USB program for it, but this certainly isn't in it, and that's kind of what I thought I was going to get. So a bit bummed about that, but I'll look into it further and see if I can find a useful program that will allow me to perhaps upload and change some of the images on the patterned HDMI tester. But for now, it's adios.